What's going on, man? Aaron Alexander here. I am hosting a free workshop this coming Wednesday, January 29th at 7:30 Eastern Standard Time. All you have to do is click the link down below and you'll be registered, good to go for the workshop. Now, anybody who attends live is actually going to receive 2 bonus gifts, including a never-before-seen day game infield, one of my best ever. You'll be getting that for attending live. Now, I'm doing something unique here. All of the workshops I've done in the past have been very how to do this, how to do that. This is actually going to be titled the Everything You're Doing Wrong Workshop. So I sat down with my assistant, Alpha Chad, and we really broke down everything from the years and years of boot camps that we've done, all the one-on-one mentorships I've done. We broke down everything that we see so many guys doing wrong. And these are mistakes that if you just continue to go out and do these mistakes for the next 3 years, your results are going to be crap. It's going to be garbage. There are things that I will see immediately in my clients where they're talking to women and I see right away they are shooting themselves in the foot. And so I broke down about 15 of these, just huge mistakes, huge mistakes that will kill your results, that will basically guarantee that game, pickup, everything will be a complete waste of time for you. So I want you guys to click down below. This is going to be fun. It's going to be educational. I'm super pumped for it. And like I said at the beginning, you're going to get 2 bonus gifts for attending live on the workshop this Wednesday, January 29th at 7:30 Eastern Standard Time. So you just click down below and you're going to receive updates and notifications. Like I said, you're also going to get a never-before-seen day game infield that you're going to be able to watch, enjoy, and ideally learn maybe just as much from the infield as you're learning from the workshop itself. And I look forward to seeing you on the Everything You're Doing Wrong workshop.